All right, so who am I talking to right now?
My name's Noah Johnson.
Cool.
Thomas Molden.
I'm Nick Morello.
And what team is this?
TeamAstroNova.
Team AstroNova. Now, what'd you guys place this year?
We got fourth, fifth.
Fifth?
Fourth.
Fourth. Hey, even better.
Yeah,
There we go.
long
That's
day,
great.
long day.
I can understand. It's a long day. It's been a long year. You guys have been working for the entire year on a single project. I don't think I can even think about a single topic for that long, let alone a project that I actually have to work in. In a couple sentences, somebody want to like describe it? Let me know what it was about.
Yeah, so AstroNova had a portable waveform generator which pretty much demonstrated the capabilities of their data acquisition systems.
Okay.
But their data acquisition systems have evolved recently, and they needed a new portable waveform generator to show the full capabilities of their new systems.
Okay, so taking the tech, putting it on the road, showing that it's available anywhere, anytime. That's huge.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. So your guys' roles, did you find that you guys had prior knowledge that was applicable?
Yeah, I mean it's depends on which area of the project you actually look at, but in my case, with the architecture, yeah, my education at URI has really prepared me well for this. I've had several classes on FPGA design, and it sort of all flowed together really well.
Oh, cool. Like FPGA field programmable
Yeah,
gateways.
yeah. So yeah, like a customizable architecture design.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, you guys are working with AstroNova. You have a technical director. How was the relationship that you guys had working with a business instead of, let's say, a professor or a doctoral student?
It was great. I mean, it gave us a new perspective on a project, gave us a new way to look at things.
Mm-hmm. So it's probably different than getting like a homework assignment or having, doing like a group project. It's a little bit different, you might think. Anything specifically stand out?
Well, I mean, more so just the lag between talking to them and getting feedback. It's not as immediate as when you're talking to a professor, and there's a lot more self-determination. In terms of how the project's going to go, and a lot of the decisions are just left to you. It's like, oh, figure that out. You can't just go to them and expect them to know the answer, because they don't. It's about finding the answer.
So you're self-managing, you're self-driven. What was your favorite part about the project? Everybody have a story or something specific they actually really enjoyed getting their hands on?
I mean, seeing our custom PCB and working with it was pretty awesome, I'm going to be honest. But
actually seeing the tangible work, like
exactly.
It's coming to fruition, it's becoming real.
Yeah.
It's not just answers on a test anymore, it's a product, it's printed, like you can hold it, you can use it. That's huge. Now, a lot of this is going from the summit, actually the symposium to the summit. We're going to the spring, we're going to graduation. A big question we always have to ask our students is, what are we doing right now? Are we going to get a job? Are we going to pursue like higher education? What's the plan?
Well, I'll be pursuing graduate research at University of Rhode Island in
Awesome.
augmented reality and virtual reality technologies.
Wow, like cutting edge stuff.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
huge.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Yeah, and I'll also be doing graduate research at the University of Rhode Island, and I will be researching fiber optic sensing.
Huge.
And I got a job at General Dynamic Electric Boat as an entry-level engineer.
Engineering, we're going into our higher education. Looks like we're actually making that transition. Do you feel like the program enabled you or helped in any way really to make this transition, whether it be from the senior engineer into the graduate or the employee, the actual engineer within a company? Do we feel like there's anything specific?
I'd say just overall that we've grown as engineers.
Yeah, gives you more of a sense of responsibility working on a project like this.
Responsibility, it's no longer just like an A or a B, it's
Exactly.
an actual tangible item.
Yeah, it's being responsible for your own project and making sure that you get the results that you need. Yeah.
That's huge, Guys, again, congratulations on fourth. And honestly, it was really great to hear about your project. Honestly, you guys did a great job. And one last question, if you were to see an engineer coming into like the University of Rhode Island or any university, or maybe they're coming here, how likely would you be to recommend Capstone if they're coming to URI, the ELECOMP Capstone?
100%.
100%?
I would definitely recommend.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of confidence.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. Guys, again, congratulations. Good job.
Thanks.
Thank you.